I've seen the client portal inside Zoho, and I'm not really
Which
impressed on
Zoho?
it.
Zoho CRM.
CRM.
Yes, horrible. Yeah,
Do you
not
have
horrible. Sad. Yeah.
set? Yeah. But I'd like somewhere where they can see all the communication they've had back and forth with us. Do you have an alternative? Is maybe something else in the Zoho ecosystem?
No, you have one product that call Catalyst Connect. I'm going to have a series of videos about it on the channel very soon. It's an external tool. It costs, I don't know how much. It costs something per month per user, and that basically what Zoho didn't do, they did. They took all the Zoho products, including CRM and books and all the systems, and they just made one good-looking portal that is pulling the information from all the section and providing it to your customers. So I will have much more information about it very soon. The CEO is involved in this project because I think it's a necessary product that Zoho didn't provide yet. The existing portal is sad, really sad. I look at it and it looks like when I was a kid, I used to play on a Commodore and Atari, and you had those shitty designs. This is how it feels like. I will never let my clients go into something like that. Horrible.
Yeah, I was even thinking of developing something just like within Creator. I don't know, so they have something nicer to look at. But
do you know Creator? Can you maintain it?
Yeah, I think I can.
That's fine. As long as you are the person that is going to do it, that's fine. If you have someone that keeps you as a hostage later on, scary. But if you can do it, sure, you can do it. But the design, by the way, will be exactly like Zoho, the Zoho CRM portal. You don't have design abilities in Creator. Okay. It will still be poor.
Still a little nicer looking though than the CRM portal.
Little bit, but
a little bit, yeah.
But still, it's still sad. Mm-hmm. You know, if you saw my brand, I'm spending lots of money into nice things, nice designs, and good audio and whatever I can, because I think this is the reflection of me and my brand. So imagine that you have everything so nice and nice emails, and then you see this pile of garbage that you log into it. It doesn't work. I think, it's or you make it like a nice product that you can be proud of, or don't give it as a service. That's my personal take. Maybe I'm wrong. Thank you very much for watching this session. I'm promoting now my Zoho CRM course. I am giving 50% off to my existing customers that tagged me as a partner. And of course, I'm also giving 50% off to new customers that tagging me as their partner. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this session. I will see you in the next one.